What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys one of the best methods I can go and use right now. I can make a lot of sales very fast. I'm going to show you guys why this is one of the best methods I can go and use right today. I can make a lot of money very fast. I'm going to show you guys step by step to the end, and if you're going to take action on this method I'm going to show you guys today, you're going to get results, guys. So you're going to take the time to watch this tutorial right to the end, take action on this method, and you're going to get results on this method I'm going to be showing you guys right today. So if you're new to the channel, also be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified when I post new videos on how to make money online and Clickbank methods that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online. So I post new videos that can help you guys to start making some extra money fast online. And also want to get my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales every day on Clickbank. Be sure to click the first link in the description. I can go and get my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales every day on Clickbank. So you can see many students are already getting results using this exact method, guys. So you can see all my students got started yesterday and has already made his first sale using this exact method, guys. So you can see made his first $100 days using this exact method. So if I open the image, so let me open the image. You're going to see the image, guys. So this is a proven method I'll show you guys in the training. And if you're going to take the training, be sure to watch step by step to the end. And you're going to take action on the training, guys. You're going to start getting some results. So there are a lot of students that have been making sales using this exact method right here. So if I go to my community tab, I've posted a lot of different testimonials from others of my students that have taken action on this method, and they're getting a lot of results using this exact method, guys. Also, I'm giving away a mystery box. So this is a secret method that can help you start making some extra money very fast online. I can go and get this mystery box for completely free. So this is a method that can help you start making some money online as soon as today. So you want to win this mystery box, all you're going to do is that you're going to go and subscribe and enable notifications. You're going to leave a like and share this video. You're also going to leave a comment on this video as well. You're going to have a chance to win this mystery box for completely free. So we're going to do is we're going to go and pick a luck winner from the last video. Is going to get this mystery box for free. So we're going to go to the last video. We're going to go and copy the URL. We're going to go to random YouTube commenter. We're going to go and input the URL right here. So let's input the URL of the video and let's click on get YouTube comments. And that's, guys, we're going to go and click on start. If you're the winner, guys, all you're going to do is you're going to go and send me a message on Instagram, and I'm going to send this method for completely free. So I'm going to leave my Instagram handle in the description. I can go and send me a message on Instagram. So that's it, guys. So let's get into the video. Let me show you guys this step-by-step method that you can go and use right today and start making some extra money very fast using CV right now. So you can go and use CV right now using this exact method, and you're going to make a lot of sales because this method works very well right now. And if you're going to watch to the end, take action, guys, you're going to get the results. So that's it, guys. So let's get into the video. Let me show you guys how you can go and do this step by step. Okay, guys, so let me show you guys this step-by-step method I can go and follow right after this video. And you're going to take action, you're going to start getting some sales very fast on Clickbank because this is a completely working method. So what you're going to do is that, as I show you guys, you're going to be using Clickbank and you're going to be using CV and you're going to be making a lot of money. So this is one of the best ways to promote Clickbank products right now because everybody is staying at home. And if you're going to follow this method, you're going to get results. So you go to the Clickbank, you're going to go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, and you're going to find a lot of different products that are selling very well on Clickbank. So you go to the Clickbank marketplace, and just by gravity, for example, you're going to find the top selling products right now on Clickbank, and a lot of products are selling on Clickbank right now. And right now, there are also a lot of products on Clickbank that are not selling right now. So because of CV, many products on Clickbank are not selling, but there's still a lot of different products that's converting very well. And I'm going to show you guys some of the products that are converting very well that you can go and promote right now, and you can make a lot of money from CV right now because people are staying at home. So let me show you guys. So if you go to the affiliate marketplace, there are a ton of products. What I'm going to do is we're going to go to e-business and e-marketing category right here. So you go to click e-business and e-marketing category, you're going to find a lot of different other categories and a lot of different affiliate marketing products that can go and promote as well. So what I'm going to do from here is that we're going to choose one particular product, and you can go and choose similar products using this exact method, and you're still going to get a lot of results. So we are going to go to social media marketing. So let's click on social media marketing. We're going to find a lot of different products right here. So you can see this product right here at the top is called Get Paid to Use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This product is selling very well right now. So you can see the gravity of this product right now is up to 133. And the main reason why this product is selling very well right now is because this is a work from home product, and people can work online and make a lot of money from the methods that are shown inside this product. So people are buying this type of products right now very well, and a lot of different affiliate marketing products, because people are stuck at home and they're looking for a way to make money while they are at home. So this is one of the best products. You can go and promote and other affiliate marketing products right here. So if you go right down here and click on affiliate marketing, you can promote different affiliate marketing products, and many people are going to buy these products because they're stuck at home and they are looking for a way to make money online, and you're going to be providing them a solution, and you're also going to be making a lot of money in return. So if you go to the sales page of this product right here, what you're going to do is you're going to see that this is a work from home product. So you can see it's a work from home product, and a lot of people are going to buy this right now. And you copy this URL right here and put it on this tool called SimilarWeb. You're going to see that a lot more traffic is being driven to this website. So you can see that a lot of people are buying this product right now. So you can see the traffic is increasing every month as many people are stuck at home and they're looking for a way to make money right now at home. So let me show you guys another reason why you want to go and promote this work from home type of products right now, and that's some of the best products that I can go and use right now and make a lot of money very fast. So let me show you guys an example. So if I go to Bing Keyword Planner, let me just type, for example, work from home. So let me show you guys work from home, and let me click on get suggestions. You're going to see how many searches this is getting only on Bing alone every month. So you can see right, you can see the graphs, you can see there have been a lot of searches on work from home. So these are people that are stuck at home and they're looking for a way to make money from home. I can see right here in April, 300,000 searches. I can see it's going up and it's going up. So let me show you guys right now. So you can see right here, it's moved from 200,000 searches in Bing alone, and that's going up to 571,000 searches, guys. So this is one of the best niches I can go and promote products right now and can make a lot of sales. So many people are looking for work from home jobs, and we are going to provide them work from home jobs. Many people are going to buy the program. As you can see, it has just spiked from 200,000 searches to up to 500,000 searches, almost 600,000 searches in March. And there are a lot of searches as well, as it's going to show April very soon is going to be higher than in March. So I type, for example, another keyword. So let me say, instead of work from home, I'm going to write, for example, so let me type another keyword. So let me type another keyword right here. So let me place, for example, make money at home. So let me click on this. I'm going to see that a lot of people are searching for these keywords right now. So you can see a lot of different searches. So they have been up to 200,000 searches right now in February, and you can see that the search just increased to up to almost 1 million searches for this keyword right now, or for make money at home. And I'm going to show you step by step. I'm going to promote this product right here and can make a lot of money if you're going to follow me step by step to the end and take action on this method I'm going to be showing you guys right here. Okay guys, so the first step is that you're going to go and create a very simple landing page that we're going to go and use to promote our product to start getting some sales very fast. I can go and use this exact method. I can promote any other affiliate marketing products in the e-business and e-marketing category right now, because a lot of people are searching for work from home type of products right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and create a very simple landing page. So I've already created a very simple landing page, and I'm going to give you guys this landing page for completely free. So I use Bidaro to go and create my landing pages, because it's very easy for you to create landing pages on Bidaro, and I've shown you guys in some of my videos how to go and create landing pages on Bidaro very easily. So what I did is that I already created a simple landing page like this, and I'm going to give you this landing page in the description. I can go and import it to your own Bidaro account, and I can edit it and start promoting this product as well. So what we're going to do from here is that we're just going to go and input our affiliate links inside this button, and on this image. So once I've created a landing page like this, as I'm going to give you this landing page for free in the description, you're going to import it to your own Bidaro account, and you're just going to go and input your affiliate links right here. So what we're going to do from here is that we're just going to go and click on promote. We're going to go and get our affiliate links right here. So we're going to go and input our nickname. I can just input a tracking ID. So let me just write, for example, the tracking ID. So I'm just going to leave it for this example. I'm just going to get my affiliate link right here. So I'm just going to copy my affiliate link. I'm just going to go back to my landing page. I'm going to go and input my affiliate links on the image and on the button. So I'm just going to click on the button and click on set link. And that's it. I'm going to input my link right here. So let me delete this. You're going to delete my own affiliate link. You're going to input your own affiliate link right here and click on select. You're going to click on the image as well. Click on set link. You're going to delete my own affiliate link, and you're going to input your own affiliate link on this page and click on select and click on save. And that's all you have to do to import this landing page to your own Bidaro account and start promoting this product right here. So I'm going to publish that, and that's it. Our landing page is ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and create a very simple campaign and promote this product right here, because people are searching for this product right now and the competition for this is very low. As I show you guys in this tool right here, a lot of people are searching for these different keywords right now. I can see most of the keywords, the competition is very low, and if you're going to be using Bing you can get a lot of traffic as well. So what I can do is I can go and create this type of campaign very easily on Google Search Ads, or you can go and create it on Bing Ads. So the first step is I'm going to go and create a campaign. So we're going to go to Bing and we're going to go and create a simple campaign. So be sure to watch this step to the end, as I'm going to show you guys how I can go and create a simple campaign that's going to be profitable and can make a lot of money from using this exact method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and click on visit to my website. I'm going to go and create a simple campaign from here. And here we're going to input our campaign name. So you can write, for example, work from home. And next, we're going to use a budget, so you can just leave it. You can get started, for example, with $10 per day. For example, I'm just going to leave it at $25 per day. I'm just going to go right to the next step. So what I want to do for me is I want to go and choose countries that are affected by CV. Right now, I can go and promote these products because the people are stuck at home and they're looking for a way to make money online. So what I'm going to do for me is I'm going to go and choose, for example, United States. I can choose, for example, United States, Canada. So what I want to do is that I want to go and click on let me choose specific locations. We're going to input United States. We're going to click on search. We're going to go and click on target. We're going to input other countries, for example, Canada. Let's click on search. We're going to go and target that for this example. You can go and target multiple countries that are on lockdown. So for this example, we're just going to leave Canada and the United States. So what I want to do for me is I want to go and remove this. People searching for or viewing ads about your location. We're going to remove this. We're going to leave only people that are in our targeted locations, because this can waste you a lot of money. This second option right here. So what I want to do is that since these are English product, we're going to go and choose English. I'm going to go and uncheck this French right here. I'm going to go and click on save and go to the next step. So we're just going to go and copy the URL of our landing page. So this is our landing page right here. Copy the URL. I'm going to input it in our campaign right here. Ad group, can just write, for example, work from home. I'm going to leave it like this. And for the keywords, guys, so for the keywords, what we're going to do is that we're going to go and input keywords that people are searching to make money online from home. So the different keywords that we can use is, for example, make money online. You can input other keywords, for example, work from home, make money at home. So these are different keywords that people are searching to make money from home right now. And if you are going to be bidding for these keywords, you are going to get a lot of very targeted traffic and you can get a lot of sales right now. So I can do this as well as I can go to the affiliate tools area of this product right here. I can find a lot of different tools I can go and use to create your ad and make a lot of money. So I'm going to go to the affiliate tools area of this product right here. So let's go to the affiliate tools area, and they also have a lot of different affiliate tools I can go and use. So if you go, for example, to promotional tools, you can see, for example, PPC ads. So you can see PPC ads. So let's click on this pay-per-click ads. I can find a lot of different keywords right here. So these are different keywords, and these are some ad copies I can just copy from this, and I can go and use this and promote this product very easily. So what I'm going to do for me is I'm going to go and copy some of this. So let's copy some of this. This one is paid social media jobs. So we can just copy some of this and we're going to use this in our ad. So for example, I'm just going to copy some of this and I'm just going to use this in my ad. I'm just going to copy this keyword. I'm going to paste it right here in our campaign. I'm just going to leave it like this. So what I can do is I can just go and type this keyword in the Bing keyword planner. I can find a lot more different keywords. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you type, for example, work from home on the Bing keyword planner, you're going to find a lot more different keywords as well. So you can see right here we wrote make money at home. I can see a lot of different similar keywords I can go and use as well. I can go and copy these keywords and use it in your campaign as well from the Bing keyword planner. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and leave this for this example. We're just going to go and create a simple campaign. So what we're going to do from here is that we're just going to go and click on save and go to the next step. And we're going to go and create our ad. So let's click on create our ad. And that's it. We're going to input the URL of our landing page once more. And that's it, guys. We're going to input a URL right here. And you can go and input the title of our ad right here. So you can go to the affiliate tools area and you can find some ad copies I can go and use as well. And you can use it in your ad. So for example, and up to $216 per day. So let's paste that in our campaign. So let's input this as our title. And the second title, you can just go back here. So you can just copy some of this. So for example, we're just going to copy this, looking for a job. So you can just copy this because many people that are stuck at home right now are looking for a job. So they want to make money online by looking for a job that they can work online and make some extra money during this lockdown period. So we're just going to use this as our title for the second one. So it's going to, this our ad is going to look like once we publish this ad on Bing. So it's going to be up to $360 per day. And if you are looking for a job, so anyone is looking for a job to make money online, they're going to click on this ad and they can buy this affiliate product. It's going to show them how to make money fast online. So what I can do is I can add another title. So for this example, we're just going to copy some of the description. So we're just going to copy some of this. So we can just copy some of this as our description. I can use it in our ad. So let's put this as our description. So that's a simple description, guys. So you can also go and add another description. So you can add more text right here. So go back, for example, to the sales page of the product. You can go and get some more titles that we can go and use it in our ad. So you can just copy, for example, helping businesses with their Twitter and Facebook accounts. So let's just copy this. And we're just going to use this in our ad as well. So that's it, guys. So our ad is already ready, and what we're going to do is that we're just going to go and publish this ad right now. I can start making some sales right now. So that's it. So our ad is already done. We're just going to go and click on save, and our ad is already done. So what I recommend is that you can go and create multiple ads, so you're going to see which ad is getting the highest amount of click through on Bing. So that's it, guys. Our ad is already done, and what I can do is I can go and click on create another ad, and I can create different ads right here. So for example, we're just going to go and leave it like this, and we're just going to go and click on save and go to the next step. And that's it, guys. Our campaign is already done. What I can do is I can go and use, for example, enhance CPC, or you can use manual bidding. So most of the time I just use enhance CPC and I just leave it like this, and you can adjust the bid right here. So I'm just going to leave this for this example. So that's it, guys. I'm just going to leave it like this, and our campaign is already done. And all you're going to do from here is that you're going to go and click on save. And that's it, guys. Your campaign is already done, and it's going to be reviewed very fast. And once it's reviewed, you can start getting some traffic and start making some extra money from using this exact method. So that's it, guys. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go and take action on this method. You're going to take action on this method. You're going to get results, because a lot of people are searching for these opportunities right now, and you're going to provide them these solutions that can help them to start making some extra money from home. You can also make a lot of money by promoting these different products right here. So that's it, guys. So be sure to take action on this method to start getting some results. And also, guys, if you want to go and get my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales every day that other affiliates are using, and they're making a lot of sales as well, be sure to click the first link in the description. I can go and get my training right now for 70% off, and I'm going to be increase the price of the course very soon. Okay, guys, so this is how easy it is for you to go and copy my landing page in Bidaro. So you want to go and get this exact landing page. What you're going to do is that I'm going to input a link in the description. You can go and copy that link, and you can go and import this landing page in your own Bidaro account. So I'm going to input a link as well that you can go and sign up for 14 days trial on Bidaro, and can go and use Bidaro for 14 days before upgrading to the paid membership plan. So once you sign up for a free trial on Bidaro, what you're going to do is you're going to go and click on this link. This link is going to be in the description. You're going to paste it in your browser, and it's going to import this entire landing page right here into your own Bidaro account that you can go and use and start promoting these products right today very fast and start getting some sales. So you're going to go and click on confirm. You're going to go and click on go to dashboard. I'm going to go and click on edit page, and I'm going to go and edit the page. So you're going to replace my own affiliate links with your own affiliate links, and you can go and use this and start promoting your own affiliate offer. So it's going to bring you to this page right here, and this button and this page still have my own affiliate link. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go and click on the image. You're going to go and click on set link. You're going to go and see my affiliate link right here. What you're going to do is that you're going to go and delete my affiliate link. You're going to go and input your own affiliate link right there, and you're going to go and click on select. Your affiliate link is going to be saved right here. So what you're going to do from here is as well as that you're going to go and click on the button, click on set link. You're going to find my affiliate link right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and delete my own affiliate link, and you're going to input your own affiliate link right here and click on select. And your own affiliate link is going to be saved on this landing page. And that's also what, once you're done, you're just going to go and click on save. And you're going to go and publish this landing page, and it's going to contain all your own affiliate links. So you're going to go and click on that's fine. And that's it, guys. Your landing page is ready, and it also have your own affiliate links on the page, and it's ready for you to go and promote your own affiliate products, and it's going to go to your own affiliate link. So that's how easy it is for you to go and import this landing page and use it on Bidaro. So that's it, guys. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and take action on this method, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.